Yep. It's early. Well, not really. We finna get busy today. We're gonna do the first modification on Poe. Yeah, you now rocking with Rips Whips. I'm gonna put this Apple CarPlay. Yeah, that's the very first move. Apple CarPlay upgrade on Poe. So first I gotta get everything moved out of the garage, make some space. Think we're gonna need some trim tools, a couple Allen bits, you know. And we're gonna tear it down and get that good thing rolling.
Yeah. One time for the real ones. Yeah. Yeah. I can see the problems in you. I can see the problems in you.
Ooh, it's cold in here. It is December, day after Christmas. It's very cold in here. Yeah, so. But yeah, we're gonna get this Apple CarPlay popped off. Yes, sir. I should be about what I need for this job. See how that goes. See how that works out. Yeah, let's get to it, man.
You only get one chance at this shit, right? Call life, better go get it. I'm gonna come with it. Make everything that you seen in your vision. Do a lot more than talking. Yeah, better go and talk it. Your goals are to pray and you are the predator. Better be doing whatever it takes to catch them. Get up your ass. Hey, cause winning is a prescription for depression, man. That's right. Hey, I can see the problems in you. The problems at you right now. I can see the problems at you. I can see the problems at you right now. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give in. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give in. You only.
Alright, so we're gonna start off right here by we're gonna pop this out. We're gonna pop this little clip out right here. Then we're gonna pop that clip out right there. Then we're gonna pop that one out. And take off this whole trim piece. And then we gotta unscrew a couple bolts in here. Take all this stuff out. And then we should be in there good enough where we can actually start connecting stuff. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna get back with y'all.
I can see the problems at you right now. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give in. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give yeah.
One of my Christmas presents. Cool little thing I can stick little stuff to. Pretty cool. So we up in here, we're gonna take these little bolts off and take the screen out and disconnect it next. So that's what we doing now.
Right now, I can see the problems at you. I can see the problems at you right now. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give in. Don't
this from that. Connected this from that. And then there was like another little connector right there. Got the whole little screen out. We're gonna sit that up there. So now we're gonna take this apart so we can get to this head unit. Alright, so next we popped off this whole section. We gotta disconnect these two connectors right here. Alright, now I just gotta put all this back together. Getting this back together, man. Gotta find somewhere to put this at. But yeah. All together, this, once I get it back together, I'll let you know if it's easy or not.
I can see the problems at you. I can see the problems at you right now. I can see the problems at you. I can see the problems at you right now. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give in. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give in. Yeah. One time for the real ones. Yeah. Yeah. I can see the problems at you.
Alright, so I got everything back together. Wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad at all. You know? Now let's see what happened. Let's make sure it works while it's all together too. Alright, so it's working. It's working. Let's see. Maps is working. Yeah, we got it working.
All they don't bother me. All they don't bother me. No, no. All they don't bother me. All they don't bother me. No, no. 'Cause it ain't stopping the money. No way. No way. It ain't stopping my move. No. It ain't stopping the money.
Yeah, so it looks like it's all operational. We're gonna see. Let's see what it do, baby. Yeah, then it switches back. Yeah. And it's wireless. Oh man. This is really real live amazing. You know? It wasn't too difficult. You know? It wasn't too difficult to make it happen. So you can do it. Just had to be patient. It's a tight space. It's tight fit. You know, just gotta be patient with it.